year prior, my hands would turn purple when I got cold. And Google is our best friend nowadays. I went online and I diagnosed myself with Raynaud's syndrome, which is common amongst women between the ages of 35 and 50, where your blood vessels kind of constrict when you get cold. So, okay, fine. And then I moved forward to the pain. So I made a doctor's appointment. And when I walked in, she saw my hands, and they were completely purple because it was just cold in the doctor's office. I went out for blood work, and about 4 days later, she sent me to a specialist, a rheumatologist. And I was told I had Scleroderma, which is Scleroderma is 350,000 Americans rare. So, and then I went to the University of Pittsburgh, which they let me know I have the form, which is systemic scleroderma. And then I have the form, which is diffuse scleroderma. So there's different types of scleroderma. Some are less severe, some are more severe. Of course, I would have the more severe, which is the diffused. Of course, when I was first diagnosed, it was devastating because if you don't know, and most don't, even doctors don't. I'm a human lab rat. A lot of doctors do not know how to treat it. It's incurable. What takes place is your body overproduces collagen because it thinks I'm always sick and I need healed at all times. And the sclero comes because it affects, the derma comes, it affects your skin. It affects all your internal organs. It basically causes hardening, almost like a rock. And like what you see, I look healthy, I look normal, but what you don't know is like my mouth is starting to close. I can't open my mouth the same width that I could 3 months ago. You know, my skin has made changes. Like you, I take well, it's not to the same magnitude, but I take chemo every Sunday and an injection, and that's indefinitely. I'm on 3 different immune suppressants, so I have no immune system. And the way they treat the symptoms more so than the disease because they don't know how to cure it. You know, they can't cure the disease. So I stand here, you know, my legs stay constantly sore, my bones, my body. But for me, I am a victor in this because I'm not going to let it take me. So if I get emotional, I apologize.
It's okay. We're here to support you.